Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to analyze the data you've downloaded from the HexIQ platform. The payers are mandated by the Transparency and Coverage Rule to publish every rate they've negotiated for every MPI for every code in every service setting every month. This translates into an enormous amount of data. The HexIQ platform distills this data into manageable chunks that you can use to answer your specific business question.
Okay, but there's still a lot of information to take in here. What exactly am I looking at?
Let's walk through a simple example together. Dr. Amy Besnow is a hematology and oncology specialist based in New Hampshire. Let's do a search for her negotiated rates for a 30-minute appointment with an established patient in an office setting. Here's the resulting spreadsheet. We can see that Dr. Besnow has two unique rates listed in column K in 8 rows, ranging from $161.03 to $444.30.
But why are there so many rates listed?
Each rate for Dr. Besnow rolls up to a different tax identification number, or TIN, which is the business entity that owns the published rate with the payer. In this case, Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield of New Hampshire. When Anthem receives a reimbursement request with Dr. Besnow's NPI for this 99214 service in an office setting, the rate they will reimburse the provider depends on which tax ID number is making the request. Apollo Medical Group of Wentworth PLLC can bill $161.03 for this office visit, and Dana-Farber Cancer Institute, Inc. can bill $444.30 for this office visit. So, if you're trying to answer the question, what is Dr. Besnow's negotiated rate for office visit 99214 in place of service 11, you'll have to factor in which parent organization her services are being billed under. You can also run the same report to include different places of service, like a nursing facility or hospital. The HexIQ platform also allows us to search for rates by the parent tax identification number that owns the rate. If we wanted to dig deeper into the rates for a specific practice like New Hampshire Oncology Hematology, we can see the following information. Column K shows a range of rates from $238.54 to $444.30 for 12 different providers. So, if you're trying to answer the question, what is the negotiated rate for New Hampshire Oncology Hematology for office visit 99214 in place of service 11, you'll have to factor in which child NPI the services are being billed for. Thanks for watching! Please subscribe to our channel to see more content like this, or visit the HexIQ website for more information.